guys, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Life. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to share one more chicken recipe, Mangalorean coconut chicken curry in my style. Please watch beginning to end. So let's start this recipe.
At first, I am going to marinate the chicken, taking 400 grams of chicken, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, then mixing well, mixing very nicely. Now mixing done and keeping rest for 30 minutes. Now going to prepare special masala. Taking a pan, adding 1 teaspoon of oil, adding 2 splitted red chili, 6 to 7 black peppercorns, half teaspoon of methi, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, stirring it and roasting very nicely. Aroma is coming out, roasting done and keeping aside. In this same pan, adding 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 roughly chopped medium sized onion, adding 7 cloves garlic, then stirring it, roasting light brown in color. It's done. Keeping aside for 5 minutes for completely cool down. That time, in this same pan, adding 1 cup of grated coconut, doing saute lightly. After 2 minutes saute done, a beautiful smell coming out. All masalas are cooled down. Taking a grinding container, adding roasted masalas. Now adding 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you have whole dry Kashmiri red chili, then add and saute with masalas. Adding half cup of water and grinding it. Grinding done, removing the paste from it, transferring into a bowl, adding some water and washing the container and adding with masalas. In this same container, adding roasted coconut. Now adding half cup of water and grinding it. Grinding done, removing the paste from this container, adding container washed water. Now taking a kadai, adding 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Oil is now hot, adding 1 onion slices, then stirring it, frying light brown in color. Now adding marinated chicken, then stirring this, cooking 5 to 7 minutes. I have given ingredient list in description box which I am using in this preparation. After 5 minutes cooking, adding masala paste, then mixing all together and cooking more 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes cooking, then adding half tablespoon of imli pulp that I have mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, then stirring it. It will give extra flavor. Adding half teaspoon of salt. You adjust as per your taste. Cooking more 2 minutes. Stirring it. After 2 minutes cooking, adding half a cup of water. Then mixing well and waiting for a boil. Boil is coming. That time adding coconut paste. Then mixing well. Mixing very gently and stirring it. Cooking approx 3 to 4 minutes. That time I am going to prepare tempering. Now taking a pan, adding 2 teaspoons of refined oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. I am using yellow mustard seeds. You can use black mustard seeds also. Fluttering start. That time I am adding 7 to 8 curry leaves. After 30 to 40 seconds, tempering done. Now adding into the chicken curry. Mixing well and cooking 1 to 2 minutes more. Its flavor is awesome. Please try it. After 2 minutes, cooking completely done. Now turning off the gas and transferring into a bowl. Now I am serving in a serving bowl. It is too delicious. Serve with steamed rice, jeera rice or dosa. It is looking too gorgeous and taste just awesome. Wow!
Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please try this recipe at your home. Oh yeah, don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Share more and more with your friends and family. And please watch this video and thank you once more.